Okay, guys, I am here with Chris. Chris has never been on a fat tire bike or an e-bike before, and you've seen me do this before with another one of my friends. This one, we're going on a super simple track, because I do want people to ride with me in the future, and killing them the very first time they ride a bike is probably not ideal. Today, we're on the Vanpowers Manidae and the Freesky Himalaya. These two bikes, you know, I haven't ridden them much, so what a perfect time to do that. Plus, Chris had this weird dream, and in this dream, he said he was riding a bike that had a big headlight on it. I sent him a picture of the Freesky, and I go, look like that? And he goes, yup.
Same bike.
So, might as well put him on one, see how he likes it, and see if he ends up getting one in the future. All right, so let's get at it. A couple things I forgot to mention. It is like 38 degrees. It's raining. We're in the mud, and these bikes don't have any fenders. Can't really tell, but this is actually a pretty big hill. Now, both of these bikes have 85 Newton meters of torque, and so we're gonna test and see if they can make it up this hill. I made it up the hill on this Vanpowers Manidae. Chris had an issue, but he's never hit this hill before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Himalaya, I'm gonna take it down the hill and try to see if I can come up. Since I have a little bit more experience, you probably prefer that anyways, right? Yeah, so let's see what happens. Okay, I'm on the Himalaya. That's that big ass hill. So let's see how we do. We got it in pedal assist 5. We've got it in a low gear, and we have a throttle, so let's go. Doing it once, pretty easy. Doing it twice, not so much. My bike made it just fine. It's Chris's first day.
My first day.
You know, what are you gonna do? All right, let's continue to get muddy. You'll beat me. I know, see that damn thing? I'm tapped out. Keep going, keep going. All right, we're racing from a dead stop. Throttle only.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you want to pedal? Oh, did you pedal a little bit? You little. Uh-oh, happy dog. Happy dog. There you go. Nah, you beat me. I knew it would. I know that bike's faster than this one. No, I had a head start last time and you beat me. Chris doesn't look bad at all. I think that the tires on my, oh, well, never mind. The back here is just, it's just rough.
Looking like this.
We had a good time, for sure. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, great. Awesome.
There you go. Looks like we have some cleanup to do, but this was a pretty good time. Glad we came out. Don't be afraid to ride these things in the mud, because all we have to do is hose these down, you know, dry the chains, and then we're good to go. All right, guys, so the only thing that's left is heavy cleanup. Be glad you're not going to be here for that. We're not going to film it. Until I catch you on the next one, enjoy the ride.